At Bison Tonneau Covers, we value durability, affordability, and quality of all our products. Now, we are proud to introduce the new flip-back hard tonneau cover. The cover is made with a high-quality aluminum plate that allows it to hold up to 300 pounds. Flip-back cover is compatible with automatic tailgates and rack mounts. Unlike other hard covers, flip-back cover provides full access to the bed. Just release the side clamp mechanism, fold the cover forward, and fasten rear buckles. When properly secured, Bison flip-back cover could be driven even in a fully open position, allowing you to carry large cargo. Our featured rubber Q seal keeps the weather out. It sits tight to the bedside rails, front rail, and tailgate cap. Bison's sleek Canadian design and top-grade materials keep your cargo safe and dry. Our next-generation engineering has made our truck bed covers easier than ever to use in any situation.